Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel Jobspresso membership step by step clearly. To cancel your Jobspresso membership, start by logging into your account on the Jobspresso website. Once logged in, navigate to your profile settings. In your profile, look for the subscription or membership section. Click on that section to access your current subscription details. Find the option that says Cancel Membership or Manage Subscription. Click on the Cancel Membership option. A confirmation prompt may appear asking if you are sure you want to cancel. Read through any details provided regarding your cancellation. If you are ready to proceed, confirm your cancellation. You should receive a notification indicating that your membership has been successfully cancelled. Make sure to log out of your account after completing the cancellation process. Keep an eye on your email for a confirmation message regarding your cancellation. This will serve as proof that you have successfully cancelled your membership. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting Jobspresso's customer support for assistance. They can help clarify any confusion and ensure your membership is cancelled properly. Always check your bank statements in the following months to ensure no further charges are applied. That's it. You have successfully cancelled your Jobspresso membership. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.